sometimes it's not about the faders or the EQ. It can be much simpler than that, like using a multiband compressor. And not just any multiband compressor, but a linear phase one. Using filters like a low pass, band pass, or high pass introduces a shift in the signal's phase. A linear phase EQ or multiband compressor compensates for that phase shift. You can add it to subgroups or the master bus and get the signal to become literally balanced. I'm using LinMB by Waves for this, and you can use something like Pro MB too, just as long as it's in linear mode. You're going to set the ranges to the lows, low mids, high mids, highs, and sparkly clean top. Then, and this is the most important, the range and threshold need to be the same across the board. The reason for this is for it to react to elements getting out of hand evenly across the spectrum. The attack and release settings can be as fast as they go or adjusted to your liking. Let me show you how this sounds. Don't be afraid to add it to a lot of your subgroups like guitar, vocals, keys, drums, everything. I find that it handles the frequency balance better than most tools because it's reactive instead of just being a boring EQ curve that can take the life and energy out of your mix. Not saying all EQs are bad, but this definitely adds a lot more push and motion. Try this out the next time you're having trouble getting that professional balanced sound. And speaking of that, I offer free samples, presets, and more on my Ko-fi page. Check it out if you want to add more to your audio arsenal. The link is in the description. But of course, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next Drastic Truth experience.